Hello, everybody. This is Guangzhou OLEAO Amusement Equipment Company. This is the sales manager Brooke.
My name is Nora. My name is Tina.
Welcome to OLEAO. This is our industry park. This is a building for office. Also have a dormitory and a workshop. This is our office area. Our designers are very professional and experienced. You can check the making layout design and the 3D design for our customer. This is our very nice exhibition room. At my left side is one play area we call archaeology drifting, and my right side this is our role play area. We have a different device, different role play house for toddlers. This is our space-themed playground. We have a very popular device like the ocean ball pit, the volcano slide, and the dollar slide. It's all very popular in the hot city. This is the trampoline area. We have trampoline for kids and for adults and teenagers. Also have some popular device like the spider wall and the hogging and the sponge board. This is our workshop. We have perfect facilities and skilled workers. And also we have strict QC checking standards to make sure every equipment finished with safe and strong.